Alright, here we go. Round 2. Well, the sun sets here. Get a little test run with my new GoPro angle. The oh shit cam. You can see my face when I crash out here. Oh shit! Hopefully not. We'll find out. Almost made it! Ah! That's pretty good though! Shit!
Different walking than riding. Right there.
What a sport she is!
I was like, it doesn't even look that bad. And I got down there, I was like, oh my god! I kept falling over.
I mean, Diggs is pretty in shape more than I am, and she's out of breath. I'm jumping.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
It was gonna be
Like got bumped up in the back of the
Oh, bump!
That's that false confidence I was talking about.
You know that I'm like off the car on one wheel and it stays there.
Nice!
Mashed potato. Alligator. Put your hand on your hip there. Let your backbone shake. Know the one to say. Like my little Lucy. Somebody to help me say it one time.
God damn it! Keep going, keep going! Oh, that's it! Oh, no! Oh, help here. Yeah, that was awesome. That was a I can't stop it.